I want to thank you for viewing this tutorial video titled How to Customize Your Property Management Page's Website. On this video, we are going to show you how to add content to your property management page's website and how to fully customize it. And we're also going to show you how to access content that's already on the back end of your property management page's website. So let's go ahead and get started. First, you're going to want to log into the back end of your website. Of course, your login information was sent to you when you set up your property management page's website. If you need it or have any questions about your property management page's website, all you have to do is email helpdesk@propertymanagementpages.com. Let's go ahead and log into our website here. Now, once you're logged into your website, you're going to see on the back end of your website your basic content management system and what we call your dashboard. The first thing we're going to teach you how to do is to customize your menu for your website. Let's go ahead and look at what we mean by that. This is very important. This is your actual navigation for your property management page's website, and will show how people get around on your website. Now remember, this is fully customizable, so you can easily add new pages and new content to your site. First, let's easily just add another page to the back end of our website and show you how easy this is to do. Let's click on the Pages section, and you can just scroll over to the right and click Add New. This is going to give you the chance to add a new page. We'll just call it AA Testimonials page. And on here, you're going to have a basic content management system here that can help you edit and create whatever you like on this page. We're just going to say Add Testimonials here. Once you have the content, remember you can easily choose the size that you want of the font, the color, the style, anything that you like here to really give your website a custom feel. You have that full capability on the back end of your site. Let's go ahead and save this and publish this page here. Now remember, just because this page is published, it is not accessible to the public. Of course, nobody can see or find this page with these testimonials on it. Next, we're going to show you how to add this page to your navigation menu or any page to your navigation menu. Under the Appearances section, you're going to see the Menus tab underneath the drop-down here. Let's click on the Menus tab here. And again, that's under Appearance. You can just go over to Menus here. Now, this shows the actual navigation menu right here that people see on your website. So each one of these represents an actual main tab on your website here. Now, for visual appearance purposes, we recommend only limiting your tabs to about 6 different options here. That's also a common suggestion in web development. You don't want to give visitors to your site too much information or too many choices here. So what you will want to do is typically either combine these tabs with others. For example, you could choose you could combine Why Choose Us with Helpful Resources. Or you're going to want to add things to a drop-down menu to add multiple menus to your site. Let's look at how to do that. We mentioned that there are many additional pages on the back end of your website underneath the Pages section. These pages you can easily add to your website, especially your Helpful Resources section. So let's go from, if we're on the Pages section here, on the Menus area, we're going to go to View All. There's the tab here that says View All, and this will show you all of the different pages that are currently on your website. Of course, we have the AA Testimonials page that we just added. Let's go ahead and add that to the site. We'll just check it off, and we'll click Add to Menu. You're going to see that automatically be added to our main navigation menu. Next, let's scroll down to Helpful Resources, and here we have 8 additional content pages that are on the back end of your website. Now, right away, once your site is set up, only 4 of these pages are even accessible to consumers. So this is a lot of additional content that's available to you to add if you choose. A lot of it is highly specialized content, such as hiring a community association management company or licensed CAM firm. Not everybody is qualified to do that, so that's not automatically included on your site. So we went ahead and I've checked off all 8 of these helpful resources. Now let's go and just add them to the menu. Now here's the thing. If we were to go and save the menu right now, we've just added a whole bunch of tabs to our website here. Let's just refresh this and see what this looks like. This is going to look a little scary here. Whoa, that is not a very good-looking website right there. Let's fix this a little bit and make this look a little more professional by creating drop-down menus. To create a drop-down menu, all you have to do is run your cursor over each one of these pages that we just added and drag it up underneath whatever page you want it to be under. So, for example, we added a lot of different helpful resources here. We're just going to drag each one of these helpful resources underneath one of these pages here. Let's go ahead and drag those under the helpful resources and make sure they indent slightly to the right and line up here. That's what actually will make them part of the drop-down menu. Let's just keep adding these here. We're getting these going here. You know, I'm not a CAM firm here, so actually we don't really want this hiring a community association management company. Here's how you remove a page from your navigation. You click the drop-down here on the right of this actual page, and you go click Remove. And then that page is gone completely from your navigation. Let's go ahead and add these couple other ones here. And up here's our testimonials page. Let's put that underneath the Why Choose Us section of our site. How about that? That's probably a good place to put that. Let's just keep dragging that up here. Why choose us? We want some testimonials that give people reasons why they can choose us. So let's just save that menu here. And next, let's go look at that. And we're going to see that custom. Let's refresh this here. I think it's going to look a little bit better now. And now look at this. We have underneath the Why Choose Us, we have the testimonials page. And we also have all of these different helpful resources that now show up as well. Now, one thing you're probably going to want to do, if you have a helpful resources tab here, you might want to create an additional helpful resources tab that's part of your drop-down menu. Let me show you what I mean by that. Let's go back to View All here. And we can actually add the same page many times over. Let's add this helpful resources page here. And we've got this added right here. So let's drag this helpful resources one up here. And now look at this. We have this helpful resources page that's actually on both the main navigation. So if somebody clicks here and actually clicks the top, it'll be there. Let's refresh it here. Or it's also right here where they can go to our main helpful resources section right here as well, which has, of course, all of these great resources for visitors to your website. Next, I want to show you how to add a custom link right here really quickly. Now, if you have another website you want to link to, a specialty site, any other site, or anything else, you can create a tab that will actually serve as a link to that. For example, here's a site that we have that's just about short sales. So let's just put that link up there. And the way you'll get the link is just go to whatever your website is, right-click up top here, copy, and you can paste the link right in here into the URL section here that says URL. You're going to paste your website there, and then put a title for that link here. We could title this one Short Sale Help. And let's just add that to the menu. And of course, instead of having it being a main navigation, we can just drag it to where it is part of a drop-down menu here. We save the menu, and this page is going to be added as part of this drop-down. And remember, this isn't an actual page on our site. This is a link to another website. So see, that takes people to a different website. Very simple ways to do this. Okay, let's take a look at some other things and other ways that you can customize your property management page's website. You're going to see, too, you have your background and your header images right here underneath appearances as well. We do encourage you to learn the back end of your website. You can easily use an actual background that will go on the left and the right side and completely surround your blog just to give it a little more content, a little more flair. You can also, of course, choose your banner and customize that, pick a different banner as well. All of this is pretty self-explanatory. It just takes a few minutes for you to pick an image, save it, and do that and customize it. And remember, if you don't have time to customize your site, I want to encourage you to pick our premium package and allow Property Management Pages staff to customize your website for you. Again, you can customize your header. There's a lot of different plugins and a lot of different things that you can add to. Here's where you customize your banner image here. There's a lot of different things that you can do. It just takes a little bit of time to stop and do these things. Next, I want to show you a very important section of your website that's called widgets. The widgets will allow you to add many different features to your website with just the click of a button. You're going to see all of the things on here are items that will show up on the right column of your Property Management Pages site. Now, obviously, you've got a lot of great tools that are automatically on your website. So if you use the blogging feature, you're going to want some additional things to appear, such as subscribe to my posts section. It allows visitors to subscribe to your posts. Let's also look at that and where we're going to put these. If you see all of these many different widgets right here in the middle, there's so many different widgets that you can easily add to your site here. All you have to do is insert them into this tab that says Sidebar Bottom, right on the right column here. So if you scroll down, you're going to see, for example, the email subscription widget that's already added there. Add some other ones too. Let's add an archive of our blog posts. Well, let's just see what else we have here. You can add recent posts. Let's add recent blog posts. So this will make recent blog posts appear right here. And you can pick how many posts you want to appear. You can have it show the date of the post and all of that. And of course, you can also go to the tag cloud. Now these are the tags, your meta tags or HTML tags that are part of your blog posts. If you aren't familiar with what these are, I encourage you to view our video titled How to Blog on Your Property Management Pages website. Let's just add our tag cloud here that shows some of the different clouds on our site, for our blogs here as well. You're going to see many others here as well, such as a Twitter widget there that will display your tweets automatically on your site. There's a lot of different news. There's a calendar of your blog posts that can be added on here. Great tools and things that can be added on here, such as a search, where visitors can go and search. Let's actually add that widget to our site as well. This is a very helpful tool to have on a great site with a lot of content on it. And of course, you have the text ad here. Now this text button here, if you were to pull it down and scroll and put it down here, you can add any HTML content, including images or text or widgets right here. This is advanced stuff here, but if you know how to use HTML code and paste HTML content in here, this is an outstanding tool to give even additional customization and additional content to your site. So we've added these few things underneath sidebar bottom. Remember, all we had to do was just drag them over with our cursor and drop them in there. Next, let's just save these, and let's have a look at what these are going to look like on our Property Management Pages website. You're going to see on the right here, we have recent posts that show up. We have our tags from our blog, which is called your tag cloud, that also show up. And we also have a website search as well that allows people to search your entire Property Management Pages website. There's so many different resources and tools on the back end of your website that are available to you to use. We encourage you to view all of our customization and training videos, and most importantly, to stop and take some time to learn how to use the back end of your Property Management Pages website. Our experience is that those who get the most out of your property management website are the ones who take the time to learn to customize it and add content to it and make it unique in order to get to the top of the search engines. Again, we encourage you to take time to learn some of these different tools, to download some of the different plugins, and learn the editor, learn how to utilize all of this content, all of these features. It just takes a little bit of your time and effort, and you'll get some great results. Thanks again for viewing this tutorial. I hope you found it very helpful.